Hi, I'm John with Woodgrain.
And I'm Ben.
You're probably wondering what a field service representative is and what we do. Well, we provide in-store service, manage inventory, and provide exceptional customer service at our national account stores within your territory.
To add on, being an FSR has a lot of benefits. You work full-time, but with flexible hours, no weekends, and all holidays off.
You get to work at different locations every day, but the same locations each week, while getting a solid workout, unlike a boring desk job.
You also get to have ownership of your territory, where you will build relationships with store managers and associates to get wins without selling anything but our relationship. You'll work independently without a culture of supervisors micromanaging.
Your actions determine your success. It's a real career position with great training, full benefits, and attainable opportunities for advancement.
Here's a rundown of your day-to-day.
Merchandising, stocking, culling, cleaning, ordering, and customer interaction.